Today we're going to be taking a look at the Stromberg Carlson electric trailer jack. It's going to feature a 12-volt motor. It's going to let you lift and lower your A-frame trailer quickly and easily, so no more having to hand crank like with those manually operated jacks. This jack features a lift capacity of 3,500 pounds, so it's going to work great for most trailers out there. It's going to feature these top-mounted toggle switches, so accessibility is super easy on this jack. Toggle switches are right here. They are protected. They got a nice coating on them for an easy grip design. They're going to be protected from the elements. One of those toggles simply controls the LED lights located on each side of the trailer jack. The other one controls the up and down movement of the trailer jack. Now again, it does feature these large LED lights here on the sides. These are designed to simply broadcast light at a downward angle, which is going to illuminate your coupler area. So it's going to make connecting and disconnecting much easier in low light or even at night. So that's a great feature of this unit. Located here on top, it does feature a bubble level. That's going to help level your trailer. That bullseye design helps level front to back and side to side. This jack features a built-in clutch that's designed to simply protect the gearing and the motor. And it's going to feature a single wire design. This is your power wire. It measures about 6 feet long. It's going to be a 10-gauge wire. So that's how it receives its power. And then the unit's going to ground through mounting hardware. Now, mounting hardware is not included, but it does come with 3 star washers to help ensure a good, solid ground connection. Now those are 3/8 inch diameter washers. That's the inner diameter. So they'll accept mounting hardware that has a diameter of 3/8 of an inch as well. And again, the mounting hardware is not included, but it does come with those 3 star washers to make for a good ground connection. This motor is going to draw 30 amps under load. The jack is fuse protected, so right here in the fuse holder, there's going to be a 30 amp fuse. One of them is already installed. It also comes with a spare. The jack features a drop leg, which allows for greater and quicker adjustability. Drop leg is held in place with this pin and clip. So if we pull that out, that piece right there is our drop leg. Multi-hole design, again, allows for easy and quick adjustability when needed. Also reduces the amount of retracting, so when you're ready to set your trailer or park it, you can extend the drop leg first by pulling the pin and clip, moving it to the hole that gives you the most distance and then or added length, and then you can retract the jack and you just don't have to do as much retracting. Then once you find the hole you need, you simply just place in that pin and secure with that clip on the other side. But the drop leg is included. The jack is also going to feature rust-resistant finishes. So we're going to have a powder-coated steel here on the outer tube and on the mounting plate, and then the inner tube, drop leg, and foot plate is going to be a zinc-plated steel. Right here at the housing, this is made of vacuum form plastic for protection from the elements. That's a very strong, durable design. The cover is white in color, and it's designed to resist fading and corrosion. At the bottom of that drop leg is the round foot plate. That does a great job at spreading out the applied weight, especially on softer surfaces, to help prevent sinking. That foot plate diameter is about 5.5 inches. The unit also comes with an emergency crank handle that allows you to manually operate the jack if needed. Like, for example, if you lose power or you have power failure, you can use this to still control the up and down movement of the jack. This jack can be bolted onto your frame, your trailer frame. So it's a bolt-on installation. It can also be welded on to your trailer frame. And again, it is designed for an A-frame trailer. Again, mounting hardware is not included, but it does come with those 3-star washers. These mount holes are going to be separated on center by about 3 inches. That's kind of industry standard, so it is going to fit most of the A-frame trailers out there on the market. A few measurements to go over with you real quick, and then we're actually going to hook it up to power. That way you can see what the lights look like, and you can kind of get an idea of how quiet and how quick it is. With it fully retracted, which is the position it's in now, the unit gives us a bracket height from the ground to the bottom of the bracket of about 8.5 inches. With it fully extended, that increased to 27.5 inches, which gives us a travel of 19 inches. That drop leg provides an additional 5 inches of travel, which gives us a total lift with this jack of 24 inches. Now, I mentioned that crank handle earlier. The location to insert that is right here where that level is located. So what you do is you simply remove that cap, and then in there is going to be the connection point for that crank handle. This cap creates a really nice tight seal. That way you don't have to worry about dirt and moisture getting in there. So that's a nice design as well. The amount of clearance that we have from the bottom of the mounting plate to the very top of the jack it's going to measure about 23 inches all the way up to the top of that level. Outer tube diameter is 2¼ inches. Inner tube diameter is 2 inches. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to power. That way you can see what it looks like and how those lights work. I'm going to hook up my power wire. Then I need to make a good ground connection. Alright, that should do it. So right here we have those LED lights. Nice, soft light. Again, it's going to take that light, put it at a downward angle. There's going to be another one located right there on the other side. When you're ready to lift the jack up, all you got to do is lift up on this toggle. Pretty quiet operation. Nice, smooth, consistent movement as well. Internal components do come lubricated, so that's going to allow for smooth operation. As soon as you let go, it stops, and then you can just push down to retract it. There is a sticker there that gives you a visual indicator. It simply just states that you don't want to retract it beyond that point. So once we hit the top of that sticker, we simply just want to let off of the toggle switch to keep from over retracting our jack. That's going to do it for today's look at the Stromberg Carlson electric trailer jack.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.